Hello everybody. On this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the heads on the PlierTek tool. On this example we have iPad 2, 3, 4 corner heads. We're going to go ahead and replace them by the new swivel heads, good for iPad mini, iPad Air, and iPhone 5, 5S. So let me show you an example. Here's the bottom of the tool. 2 Allen screws holding each head. Kit comes with that 1 Allen wrench. Just go ahead and replace them. As you can see, it's very easy to do. Both are labeled, handles are labeled number 1 and number 2. See there? Be number 1 the internal insert, number 2 the external. So let's go ahead, place the external insert first. That's it. Let's put the internal insert. The screws are very easy to replace. Very easy to use. Let's go ahead and put the sidewalls. Same procedure. If you're in the field, this tool is great because the inserts are very easy to replace, plus there's less head swapping. Sidewall heads fit iPad 2, 3, 4, iPad mini, iPad Air, iPhone 5. You use the same head. And for the swivel head, this guy works on iPad mini, iPad Air, iPhone 5, 5S. So there is very less head swapping. There's also a set of heads for iPhone 6, which they are marked, stamped with a 6 on the bottom, and these are good for iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. So if you have any questions, feel free to email us, info@pliertek.com, and feel free to ask us any questions. We're here to help, and thanks for watching this video.